Ever thought of building your own customized computer? It's not just about the power to choose every part to suit your needs and desires. It's also about cost effectiveness. With the right knowledge, you can build a machine that's not just cheaper, but also more powerful than pre-built systems. Plus, there's something uniquely satisfying about knowing every inch of your computer because you put it together. It's like crafting your own work of art. Imagine the thrill of seeing your own creation come to life. First things first, you need a plan. What will you use your computer for? Now this is a fundamental question, and it's important because the purpose of your computer will guide your choice of components. It's like building a house. You won't choose the same materials for a skyscraper as you would for a cozy cabin in the woods, right? Let's look at a few examples. If you're building a gaming computer, you're going to need a powerful graphics card to handle those high-intensity games. You'll also want a processor that can keep up with the action. On the other hand, if your focus is graphic design, you might prioritize a high-resolution monitor and a computer with a lot of RAM to handle complex design software. So before you dive in, take the time to figure out what you really need. And remember, your computer should be tailored to your needs. Once you have your plan, it's time to shop for components. The heart of your computer is the processor. This is the brain, the part that does the calculations and runs your software. Next up is the motherboard, the nervous system if you will. It's the main circuit board that everything else connects to. Then comes the RAM, or random access memory. Think of this as your computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores the data your processor is working with. More RAM generally means smoother multitasking. For longer-term storage, you'll need a hard drive or an SSD, which stands for solid-state drive. The latter is faster but also more expensive. When it comes to graphics, if you're into gaming or video editing, investing in a good graphics card is key. The power supply is up next. This is what feeds electricity to every other component. It's crucial to get one that's reliable and has enough wattage for your build. Last but not least, you'll need a case. This is the body that houses all these components. It's not just about aesthetics though, it also affects airflow and cooling and therefore, the performance and lifespan of your components. The trick is to ensure all these components are compatible. You wouldn't want to buy a processor that doesn't fit into your motherboard, would you? And remember, choose components based on what you want your computer to do and how much you're willing to spend. Remember, the goal is to balance performance with cost. Now comes the fun part, assembly. So let's dive right into it. First off, we're going to install the processor and RAM on the motherboard. The processor is the brain of your computer, so handle it with care. You'll see that there's a small triangle on one corner of the processor. Line this up with the triangle on the motherboard socket, gently place it in, and secure it down. Next up is the RAM. These long, thin sticks go into the slots on the motherboard. Push them in until you hear a click. With that done, it's time to put the motherboard in the case. Align the holes on the motherboard with the standoffs in the case and secure it with screws. Next, we'll install the power supply. This is what feeds electricity to every part of your computer. Make sure it's switched off before you start. It goes into the bottom of the case with the fan facing downwards. Now let's add some storage. Whether you're using a hard drive or an SSD, it'll go into a drive bay. Just slide it in and secure it with screws. Lastly, we're going to install the graphics card. This powerhouse is responsible for rendering images, videos, and games. It goes into the long slot on the motherboard. Push it in until it clicks into place. Once everything is installed, it's time to connect all the components. This might seem daunting, but it's just like a jigsaw puzzle. With care and patience, you can build your own computer. And there you have it, your own customized computer. You've journeyed from the vision of a personalized machine, meticulously planned your build, hand-picked every component, and pieced it all together. The journey was as thrilling as it was enlightening. You've not only built a computer but also a deeper understanding of how it works. And now the real joy begins in using a machine you've crafted yourself. Your creation, your masterpiece. Now go out and create your masterpiece. Happy building!